Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Project Terima dan Kasih is an initiative by students of University Islam Sultan Sharif Ali designed to support underprivileged families during the blessed month of Ramadan and the Aidilfitri celebration. Many families face financial struggles that prevent them from enjoying the joy of Aidilfitri. Through this project, students collected and distributed gently used traditional attire such as baju cara Melayu, baju kurung, tudung, and songkok, ensuring that every family could celebrate. The project also aimed to promote sustainability by reducing waste and encouraging responsible consumption. Rooted in Islamic values of rahmah, compassion, ihsan, excellence, and ukhuwah, unity, Project Terima dan Kasih reflects the spirit of generosity and collective care that defines the true essence of Aidilfitri.
In the problem statement, our project addresses the challenges faced by underprivileged families during Aidilfitri celebrations, as many families cannot afford proper clothing and essential, which limits their participation and creates a sense of social isolation within the community. At the same time, the growing trend of fashion consumption and lack of awareness on sustainable practices have led to an increase in textile waste. While donations are common during Ramadan, there is still a lack of structured and sustainable programs that combine social welfare with environmental responsibility. Additionally, organizing charity events often faces challenges such as limited manpower and time constraints, highlighting the need for well-planned, community-based initiatives that ensure efficient distribution and foster teamwork, compassion, and unity among volunteers.
The main objective of Project Terima dan Kasih is to help underprivileged families celebrate Eid al-Fitr with dignity and happiness, regardless of their background. It also aims to reflect Islamic principles such as rahmah, compassion, ihsan, generosity, and ukhuwah, unity. For the students involved, the project encourages empathy, get experience on teamwork, and social responsibility. This project also supports the SDG goals by promoting responsible consumption, reducing waste, and raising environmental awareness. This project is a combination of social welfare, sustainability, and faith.
In this study, we used a qualitative research method to understand the social and emotional impact of Project Terima dan Kasih. Data was collected through open-ended survey from students, volunteer, parents, and teachers involved in the project. This survey allowed participants to share their real experience after the campaign ended. Their response were then analyzed thematically to find common ideas like generosity, inclusivity, sustainability, and unity. This method helped measure not just the project's success in providing aids, but also its role in building empathy and community spirit.
The findings from Project Terima dan Kasih reveal significant insights regarding participant satisfaction and broader impacts on the community during the Aidilfitri celebrations. First, the project examined participant satisfaction levels, and the feedback was overwhelmingly positive. Most participants expressed high satisfaction with the project's management, treatment, as well as leadership. It is clear that the initiative played a crucial role in helping underprivileged families prepare for Aidilfitri by providing gently used traditional attire such as baju cara Melayu and baju kurung. This assistance significantly reduced the financial burden on these families, allowing them to celebrate with dignity and engage fully in the cultural and religious aspect of the celebrations. In addition to individual satisfaction, the project successfully promoted community unity, care, and social cohesion. Participants reported that the initiative fostered collaboration among volunteers and community members, reinforcing a sense of brotherhood and shared responsibility. This aligned with findings from Salihin et al., 2022, which stated that charitable programs during Ramadan enhance communal bonds. Feedback from volunteers indicated that working together in this event to collect, sort, and distribute clothing strengthened their teamwork and interpersonal relationship between them. Furthermore, the project raised awareness of sustainable practices, particularly around clothing reuse. Many participants noted that their involvement encouraged them to adopt more sustainable consumption habits, which is aligned with SDG 12 on responsible consumption and production. This initiative not only benefited underprivileged families, but also cultivated a culture of environmental responsibility within the community. Moreover, the feedback from the participants also highlighted areas for improvement of this event. Participants and volunteers suggested increasing the number of volunteers or extending shifts during busy collection and distribution periods, enhancing logistical planning, such as providing clearer guidelines for sorting and distributing items, could improve efficiency. Additionally, expanding outreach to attract more donors and incorporating educational components on sustainability would further strengthen community engagement and awareness. In conclusion, Project Terima dan Kasih successfully achieved its primary objective, demonstrating that sustainable development and Islamic teachings are compatible and can be applied to address societal and environmental challenges. The project embodies key Islamic values such as compassion, stewardship, and social justice, which align with the Maqasid Sharia, the higher objectives of Islamic law aiming to protect life, dignity, and wealth. The feedback indicates that participants not only received material support, but also felt a sense of belonging and acceptance in society. Volunteers reported an increased understanding of social responsibility and environmental practices, particularly in clothing recycling and redistribution. The initiative directly aligns with several United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, including SDG 1, No Poverty, SDG 10, Reduce Inequalities, and SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. Ultimately, Project Terima dan Kasih serves as a valuable model for future initiatives, showcasing how grassroots effort can effectively integrate global sustainability values with local community needs and Islamic ethical principles. By fostering empathy, reducing inequalities, and promoting responsible consumption, the project exemplifies a balanced approach to sustainable social action.